Hi, I'm Matt with EPB, and this is EPB Home Tech Tips. Are you already using streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus? If so, I'd like to invite you to try our new EPB Fi TV. This is one technology upgrade you don't need to be afraid of, especially if you're already using other streaming services. EPB Fi TV is just like regular live TV, but way more convenient. I'm going to show you 4 reasons why I think you'll love EPB Fi TV more than your current service. Installation is way easier. When you started using Netflix, did you call the company and have to schedule an installation date? No, you just signed up for the service, downloaded the app, and started using it right away. EPB Fi TV is the same thing. To sign up, just call us or go to epb.com. We'll give you a login, you download the app onto your device, and you can start watching what you want right away. No more set-top boxes. If you upgrade to EPB Fi TV, you'll never have to deal with one of these things again. You could even save some money. The EPB Fi TV app works on Fire Sticks, Apple TVs, smart TVs, phones, tablets, computers, and other similar devices you probably already own. No more input switching. Say you're watching a show on EPB Fi TV and you want to watch a show on Netflix. No more fumbling around with a remote, having to switch inputs on your TV. Now you just go to the home screen, scroll down to the Netflix app or any other app, all with one remote. You control when and where you watch TV. You don't have to worry about rushing home to catch your favorite show or the news. With EPB Fi TV, you can restart a live show from the beginning, or you can replay a show up to 3 days after it aired. Your phone also turns into a TV, so you're not tethered to the living room couch. And when you leave your house, you can watch video on demand content or your DVR recordings from wherever you are. We're always here to help answer your questions. Give us a call or post your comments below. And for more home tech tips, don't forget to check out the rest of our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.